Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll share with you another airdrop opportunity, and the name of the project is Sleepagotchi. Basically, Sleepagotchi is building a smart system that uses health and wellness data like sleep, fitness, habits, etc. They already have a huge community of 149k members, and if you check their funding, they have already raised 3.75 million. This project is backed by some top tier investors such as CoinList, Alliance DAO, Sixth Man Ventures and more. Also, they are really active on Twitter and continuously update their posts. So this is another positive sign. I'll show you step by step how you can join the airdrop, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for the latest videos. And most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share all the latest crypto airdrop news and updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you'll find this page link. So after landing here, first you need to connect your wallet. Click here on connect wallet, then you need to connect your Solana wallet. So I'd select Phantom wallet here, then click on connect. Again click on connect, then confirm the request and you are set to go. Then click here and go to the edit profile section. Here you need to set your name, location, and you can also write a short description. Then go to the wallet and account option, and here you can connect your social accounts as well. So basically here are all the tasks which you need to complete to earn points. First you need to connect your X account. For that you will get a 1.25x boost. To connect your account, click here on connect X, then authorize it. After that you need to engage with their post. Click on go to post, then like repost and make a comment. Then come back and click on claim, and done, your boost is active now. Next you need to connect your email, so click on connect email, then enter your email and click on continue. It will send a verification mail to your email, so open it and click on verify. Then come back and this task is also complete. Next you need to download their app. Click on download the app, then you land on this page. From here you can download their Android and iOS app, and after that this task is also complete. Next you need to follow their profile. Click on go to account, then follow their profile, go back, click on claim, and done. Next you can join their Telegram. I'd skip it for now. Then you need to connect your Discord. Click on connect Discord, then authorize it. And done. Next you need to join their server. Click on go to Discord, then accept the invite, solve the captcha, tick here and click on next, then select your language and click on next, and then click on finish. So you need to activate their Discord server for the latest updates and roles. Then go back to the airdrop page, click on claim, and done. Next you can earn the Dino holder role on Discord, which gives you another 1.25x boost. You can also share daily posts about them, which gives you 25 points daily. Then you have a weekly check-in, so make sure to claim it once every week. Finally you have the invite friends option. Click on get my referral link, and you will find your referral link, which you can share with friends to boost your points. At the top you can see your total points, and in the leaderboard you will see top rankers and your ranking. So that's all for this video. Please like and share this video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.